Hi everyone, my name is Kylie Shepard. I am a pre-college mentor for Temple Pre-College. And today I'm going to show you how to access your next steps to get ready for the program. So the first thing you're going to do is go to noncredit.temple.edu. This website right here at the top. And the page should look something like this. Next, you're going to press log into your account. Here in the middle, you're going to sign in with your Destiny 1 username and password that you used when you applied to the program. So you're going to type that in here and then press enter. This should take you to a page that looks like this, and this is your student home. On the left-hand side, there's different pages that you can access, and they're titled pretty clearly. And then on the right-hand side, it just shows your username information as well as how much money you owe to the program. So in order to fill out the different next steps, you want to go to My Applications right here on the left-hand side. So there's a few different next steps that you need to complete, which you can see on our website. You also should have received an email. So in order to begin filling out an application, you want to click Start. All of the different next steps are similar to this one. You're going to have a list of things to do, a status of your progress. Because I clicked Start, my status is currently in progress. So in order to start this application, again, you just want to click Start. Make sure that you read the directions and all of the different agreements that you're signing off on. So this says initials, so I'm going to put my initials. And then you want to open up every single link that is provided to you. It's important that you understand the next steps as well as completing them. So I would just access this. It's best to open it in another tab so that you don't have to press the back arrow and get an error. You see, I can just open them, read through whenever it loads for you. And then you just want to sign off that you read everything. Make sure you read it carefully. And then you can save as you go. So save this page if I completed it. Or you can save and finish this later. Or you can just simply press next page and continue on completing the form. So as you can see under pages to do, there's a check because I already completed the first page. So when you get to the second page, again, you just want to read the information carefully and make sure that you're giving the information provided. Everything that has this little red star means that it's required. I'm just filling in information just for the purpose of this. But after you're done and you put accurate information, you just want to click Submit Application. And as you can see, under Pages, it says Completed. You did every single page. Under Status, it says Submitted. So to go back to My Applications, you can either press Back to My Applications or press My Applications. I'm going to click Back to My Applications. And here you can see the one that I just completed. It says Status Submitted. And you can view it here to make sure that it's correct. And for all the other ones that you need to start, it will say Start. And for the ones that you pressed Save and Continue later, it will say In Progress. And you just press the Continue button to go ahead and continue that application. Like my OutCard one, my AccessNet, all things that I need to continue that I've started. And if you ever get confused, there are directions at the top. And I will also put our contact information here. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email. Thank you for listening to our tutorial video for next steps.